Okay, this is another case. This is the contrast enhanced CT scan. This is axial view, and you can see that rind like soft tissue thickness of the wall of the stomach. On first impression, it's look like that it's to be a case of a lymphoma or carcinoma of the stomach, but on biopsy it was a proven case of amyloidosis. This is the coronal image of the same patient where you can appreciate the nodules, submucosal nodules, focal nodules of the small bowel. You can appreciate if we magnify it, you can see that these are submucosal focal nodules surround located throughout the small bowel. Here you can also appreciate, and in the third image you can see that the rind like soft tissue thickness surrounding the left kidney with internal calcification, and the periphery of this rind like soft tissue thickness is also a focal soft tissue mass that is proved on biopsy a amyloidoma. And this is the coronal image of the same patient, and you can see that there is rind like soft tissue thickness surrounding the left kidney, and this is the amyloidoma, a focal soft tissue thickness surrounding this uh, rind like soft tissue mass. On the right side there are two simple cysts are appreciated in the right kidney. So this is a case of a biopsy proven amyloidosis. On treatment point of view, the treatment basically depends upon which type of protein is to be present and what is the cause of this amyloidosis. So on the basis of the cause, we treat the amyloidosis. If the cause is basically myeloma, we treat the myeloma. If the cause is um, uh, dialysis, then we uh, treat the patient by renal transplant. And if the cause is liver failure, we treat the patient by liver transplantation. So on the basis of the cause and type of protein which is to be deposited, we manage this patient. Thank you very much.